Hello, and welcome back to Homespot. Did you know that the pile of scrap wood in your garage is actually a goldmine of rustic decor waiting to happen? If you love saving money and creating something beautiful with your own hands, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 14 incredible upcycled wood art ideas that will instantly upgrade your home and garden without breaking the bank. Let's turn that trash into treasure. Don't throw away those odd-shaped ends of lumber just yet. Our first project proves that even the smallest offcuts can become a modern masterpiece. By cutting scraps into triangles or trapezoids and arranging them in a mosaic, you can create a stunning geometric wall art piece. Play with different thicknesses to add a three-dimensional texture that catches the light. Staining each piece in varying shades of walnut or oak adds depth, turning a pile of waste into a sophisticated focal point for your living room. If you have fallen branches or old logs rotting in the backyard, slice them up to create a whimsical garden pathway. This project is all about embracing the natural imperfections of wood. Simply embed these rounds into the soil, filling the gaps with moss or creeping thyme for a fairy tale look. It is an affordable alternative to stone or concrete pavers, and the exposed tree rings add a beautiful, organic texture that guides guests through your garden with rustic charm. Shipping pallets are the ultimate free resource for DIYers, and they are perfect for vertical gardening. With just a little sanding and some landscape fabric, you can transform a rough pallet into a thriving herb wall. This is ideal for small balconies or patios where ground space is limited. The weathered wood provides a rustic backdrop for the vibrant green leaves of basil and rosemary. It is a functional piece of art that smells as good as it looks, bringing fresh flavors right to your kitchen door. Elevate your serving game by turning contrasting strips of hardwood into a custom mosaic tray. This project requires a bit more precision, as you glue together different species like maple and mahogany to create chevron or herringbone patterns. The natural variation in color eliminates the need for paint, letting the wood grain shine. Once sanded smooth and sealed with food-safe oil, this tray becomes a durable, heirloom-quality piece that is perfect for breakfast in bed or as a thoughtful handmade gift. Bring some life to your garden by building whimsical birdhouses out of your most mismatched scraps. You do not need perfect measurements here. In fact, a crooked roof or uneven walls adds to the storybook charm. Use old tin for the roof or a driftwood twig for the perch. Painting them in distressed pastel colors gives them a shabby chic vibe that stands out against the greenery. It is a fun, low-pressure project that provides a safe haven for local wildlife while decorating your trees. Capture the spirit of adventure with these mountain-shaped floating shelves. Using reclaimed barn wood or old fencing adds a rugged history to the sharp, triangular peaks. These shelves are perfect for displaying small succulents or travel souvenirs, merging nature with modern design. The construction is straightforward, requiring just a few angled cuts, but the result is striking. The rough-hewn texture of the wood contrasts beautifully against a dark wall, bringing a cozy, cabin-like atmosphere to any room in your house. Old wooden ladders often end up in the landfill, but they make incredible storage solutions for bathrooms. With a quick sanding and a whitewash finish, a rickety ladder transforms into a chic towel rack. It leans casually against the wall, offering vertical storage without drilling holes. The distressed wood adds warmth to sterile tiled spaces, creating a spa-like sanctuary. This is upcycling at its finest, taking a retired tool and giving it a new purpose that is both stylish and practical. If you have a broken wooden wheelbarrow rotting in the shed, do not toss it out. It is the perfect vessel for a cascading flower display. The aged, silvered wood and rusted metal wheels tell a story of hard work, adding instant nostalgia to your yard. Drill a few drainage holes, fill it with soil, and plant trailing petunias or ivy. It creates a charming focal point on your lawn, turning a retired gardening tool into a beautiful, living sculpture. Set the mood for your summer evenings with these rustic reclaimed wood lanterns. Constructed from simple pallet slats, these boxy lanterns protect your candles while casting a warm, slatted shadow pattern across your deck. You can add rope handles for a nautical touch or glass inserts for safety. They look amazing grouped together on patio steps or hanging from a pergola. It is a quick build that adds a cozy, professional touch to your outdoor entertaining space without costing a fortune. Even the tiniest slivers of wood can be saved to make these intricate mosaic coasters. By gluing together thin strips of different wood species, you can create stunning starburst or diamond patterns. This is a fantastic way to learn precision joinery on a small scale. Once sanded flush and sealed, the contrasting colors of the wood create a jewel-like effect. They are practical, protecting your furniture from water rings, but they also serve as miniature pieces of art for your coffee table. Bring the outdoors in with a floating shelf made from a split log or firewood. The key here is keeping the live edge, that rough, bark-lined surface, completely intact. By smoothing the top and mounting it with hidden brackets, you create the illusion that the wood is growing right out of the wall. It contrasts beautifully with modern plaster or brick walls. This shelf is perfect for holding spices in the kitchen or plants in the hallway, adding a raw, organic texture to your home. Old window frames are classic upcycling candidates because they naturally frame whatever you put inside them. Remove the glass and sand down the chipping paint just enough to make it safe while keeping that weathered character. Mount on your entryway wall to frame a wreath, family photos, or a welcome sign. You can even add hooks to the bottom rail for keys. It immediately adds farmhouse charm and architectural interest to a blank wall, preserving a piece of history in your home decor. Wooden apple crates are surprisingly sturdy and can be stacked to create a charming garden bench. Reinforce the structure with some hidden screws and top it with weather-resistant cushions for comfort. The vintage stamps and worn wood of the crates add an authentic market-style vibe to your seating area. It is not just a bench. The hollow crates underneath offer excellent storage for garden tools or outdoor toys. This project proves that functional furniture doesn't have to be expensive or complicated to build. Finally, keep your entryway organized with a rustic key holder made from a slice of live-edge wood. The irregular shape and bark texture make it feel like a treasure found on a forest floor. For the hooks, get creative by bending old spoons or using antique iron nails to enhance the vintage look. It is a small, manageable project that solves the problem of lost keys while acting as a welcoming piece of art. It is simple, functional, and full of natural character. And there you have it, 14 creative ways to breathe new life into old wood. I hope these projects have inspired you to see the potential in every scrap. Remember, upcycling isn't just about saving money. It's about creating something with a story. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to Homespot, and leave a comment below with your favorite idea. See you in the next video.